We got here today is a 2013 Civic. 2013 Civic with rear bumper damage. So, you have the rear bumper here. It was rear-ended, and the sides has popped out here on both sides. Both sides have popped out. And what we're gonna do today is remove the rear bumper and inspect for any major structural damage or damage to the rebar. Quite frankly, it's not likely that there's any or much damage. We could just simply pop the bumper back together, but we're gonna make a video out of this and we're gonna remove the bumper, show the steps of removing the bumper and inspecting for damage.
Tools needed for the job. We use a power drill driver with a number 2 Phillips. If you do not have, you can use a regular screwdriver. Clip remover. If you do not have, you can use side cutters or pliers. Number 5, Allen key with a ratchet and a short extension to clear the bumper spacing.
This bumper is held on by various clips and nuts and bolts. Allen on 2 corners of the bumper, and then we have Phillips along the side, and there will be a couple of clips underneath. Alright, we're going to start off with the side here. Remove the Phillips. Phillips up here. Okay, now free up this side. Gently but firmly pull the bumper outwards as it is clipped in from the top. Okay, that's holding this side in. We'll repeat on the other side. So if you look underneath, we'll see that there are 2 clips here, one here and one here. That's what's holding it in. So I'm gonna remove those now. We have this special clip remover tool, little pointed tips. If you don't have this, you can use side cutters or pliers. Okay, last piece of the puzzle is the Allen key bolt here, and that's a number 5. So we have a number 5 here, number 5, and we're just gonna unbolt it. So 1, and then the next one on this side. So our bumper is ready to come out now.
Grab the bumper and pull towards the rear, clipped underneath the tail light, and repeat on both sides.
Alright, that's our video today on removing the rear bumper for this 2013 Civic. Hopefully it was helpful. Thanks for watching.